Hello everyone, welcome to Chairman TV. My name is Damilola Adesoya Esquire. Guess what? Today I have another interesting topic to share with you today. And trust me, you're going to learn a lot from this topic. If you are watching our video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and also like and share our videos. Thank you as you do this. So what is child custody? Child custody is the right to make decisions for a child. Custody can be granted to a mother or a father. It all depends on how much they can prove that they are in the best position to take care of the child. For instance, a mother who is a drug addict cannot be in the best position to take care of the child. So the court cannot grant custody to such mother. Now, I would like to talk to you about the types of custody. We have divided custody, we have split custody, we have joint custody, we have temporal custody, we have third-party custody. Now, I'm going to be explaining them one after the other. What is divided custody? This is the type of custody where the court directs that a child lives with each parent on different periods, such as holidays. So it means that where it's an order from the court that grants such a child to live with each of the parents during festive periods. So at such time, the parent has the full control over the child. So what is split custody? It is when the court grants custody to one parent while care and control of the child is granted to the other parent. In which case, the parent vested with the custody has the power to control the major decision of that child, while the other parent controls the day-to-day physical upbringing of the child. So now we have joint custody. This one is different from split custody. It is when the court directs that both parents should share responsibility on the child, and they are to be involved in the physical sharing of the custodial rights over the child, as well as participating in decisions affecting the child's life, such as the education, medical problems, and so on. So that's for joint custody. We also have split. We have temporal custody. This is a custody whereby the court grants temporal, like it's a type of custody where the court grants a temporal custody to such parents pending the determination of the divorce proceeding. Okay, let me explain again. It means that the court grants custody to a particular parent pending the determination of the divorce proceedings. Now we have third-party custody. So third-party custody is this type of custody whereby the court grants custody to someone who is not even the father or the mother of the child. And the person is to take custody of that child either permanently or temporarily. And this is in accordance with the provision of Section 71, subsection 3 of the Matrimonial Causes Act. This order is made by the court where it appears that neither of the parties are interested in taking care of that child, or where the court consider that neither of the parents are actually fit to take care of the child. So now I would like to explain to you the various factors the court will consider when granting custody. Now the first thing the court will consider when granting custody is the best interest of such child. For instance, a 5-year-old girl whose father is a soldier and then the mother is a full housewife, it is presumed by the court that the father will not be available for such child, and the court will in that instance grant custody to the mother who is a teacher or who is a housewife. The second factor the court will consider before granting custody is the age of a child. Now, a girl child who is close to puberty may likely be in custody of a father or a mother, if either of them can actually prove that they can take care of that child. But in most cases, such girl will be in the custody of her mother. Now, the third factor the court will consider before granting the child custody to a parent is whether either of the party is a domestic abuser. For that reason, the court will not even grant custody to such parents. Now, the fourth thing the court will consider before granting child custody is whether either of the party is negligent of of such child. So a parent who comes home late at night, drunk, and does not care about the welfare of his or her child cannot be granted custody of that child. So we have the fifth factor, which is the financial state of the parents. So the court will investigate the financial state of either of the parents to know if they are financially fit to actually cater for the child's well-being. Okay, so the sixth factor the court will consider is the mental state of the parents. So the court will determine whether the parent is mentally fit to actually take care of the child. So the court will investigate to determine the mental state of such parents, and also the court will look at the medical history of each of the parents to determine whether they can actually grant custody to such parents. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. I hope you've learned a lot from this video, and please do not forget to subscribe and also share and comment on our video. See you next time. Have a lovely day.